The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This recipe features succulent salmon fillets grilled to perfection and coated in a rich, caramelized glaze. The combination of brown sugar and soy sauce creates a sticky, sweet, and savory exterior that pairs beautifully with the tender, flaky fish. Served alongside a crunchy, refreshing broccoli slaw, this dish offers a delightful mix of textures and flavors, making it a special and satisfying meal for any occasion. Glaze marinade. Soy sauce, 1 cup. Vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. Apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic, minced, 3 cloves. Light brown sugar, 2 cups. Main, salmon fillets, 14. Broccoli slaw, 1 teen package. Scallions, chopped, 3. Sesame seeds, toasted, 1 tablespoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Mince the garlic. Peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic until finely chopped. Set aside. Step 2. Measure the glaze ingredients. Gather and measure out all glaze ingredients before starting to cook. 1 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, and the minced garlic from step 1. Having everything pre-measured ensures a smooth cooking process. Step 3. Measure the brown sugar. Measure 2 cups of light brown sugar. The brown sugar is the star of this glaze. It caramelizes during cooking to create that signature sticky, sweet, and glossy finish on the salmon. Step 4. Prepare the broccoli slaw components. Open the 12-ounce package of broccoli slaw and set aside in a large bowl. Chop 3 scallions into thin rounds. Toast 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds in a small dry skillet over medium heat for 2-3 minutes, stirring frequently until golden and fragrant. Set all slaw components aside. Cooking steps. Step 1. Make the glaze. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the soy sauce, vegetable oil, apple cider vinegar, ground ginger, and minced garlic. Stir in the 2 cups of light brown sugar. Cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sugar is fully dissolved and the mixture begins to thicken. Remove from heat. Important: reserve 1/2 cup of the soy sauce mixture and set aside. This will be used later for the broccoli slaw and as a serving sauce. Step 2. Marinate the salmon. Brush both sides of each salmon fillet evenly with the remaining soy sauce glaze mixture. Cover the fillets and let them stand for 10 minutes to absorb the flavors. This brief marination allows the brown sugar and soy to penetrate the fish, building a deep, savory, sweet base. Step 3. Grill the salmon. Place the salmon fillets on the preheated grill. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes on each side, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Brush the salmon occasionally with the marinade during cooking to build up a glossy, caramelized glaze. The brown sugar in the marinade will create beautiful char marks and a sticky, lacquered exterior. Step 4. Toss the slaw and serve. In a large bowl, toss together the broccoli slaw, chopped scallions, toasted sesame seeds, and 1/4 cup of the reserved soy sauce mixture until well combined. Divide the slaw among serving plates. Top each portion with a grilled salmon fillet. Serve immediately with the remaining reserved soy sauce mixture on the side as a dipping sauce.